Hello, hello. Ta-ta. Working an event today, and I want to do something quick, simple. And then I have to go, like, I have to do this, like, super, super quick. Like, super, super quick. Go ahead and brush off the excess. Ta-da! And then, let's see. What shade sounds like Crafty? Yep. Crafty. Not this brush. This is, okay. So Crafty on my crease brush. And that's just gonna stick around towards the outside. Hello. Okay. Done with that. Here's my blending brush. Go ahead and blend that a little bit. And then, for eyeliner today, I'm using this British Cream Shadow in Rapturous, which is a dark purple. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some rose water though, liven it up. There we go. Alright, where's my liner brush? There it is. There we go. Bring some life back into that. Okay. Actually, I want to start on the outside and work my way in. There's a hair in there. Oopsie, went a little much on that side. There we go. Try and fix it. There we go. Better. Just gotta do the other side. Quick, simple, and subtle is not my thing today. There we go. All right. So I got my purple liner on. This side is like so uneven though. Trying to fix it as I go and it's not working out. Yep, that's about as good as that's gonna get. Okay, what did I do with mascara? Oh, it's right in front of me. Haha. All right, and then to top it off, we are going to go with Jenna for the Hottie today. And then we're done. And ta-da! Like I said, something quick, simple, and subtle for this. Yeah, I love it. Crafty in the crease, and then Rapturous cream shadow for the liner. Yeah, I'm loving it. All right, thanks you guys for hanging out with me for this very, very quick look. I will see you guys later. Love you all. Have a fantastic Sunday, you guys. Bye.